What's up, soldiers? Chris here, CaribbeanPot.com. We are taking leftover barbecue chicken and doing a wicked stir fry. Stay tuned, you're gonna love this one, man. Just look at them noodles. Ooh. Well, I guess you can't make barbecue chicken stir fry without that leftover barbecue chicken. So I've got here almost an entire chicken. So we've got the 2 breasts and 2 legs. It's been sitting in the fridge for a day or two, and it's a great way to use that leftover barbecue chicken, as I said. And it's also a great way to clear out your fridge of other ingredients that may not have enough to for a full meal. So I got a piece of a cabbage, a piece of a carrot, a couple scallions, ginger, 1 clove of garlic, a couple pieces of bell pepper that's just been sitting in the fridge there, and half of an onion. With that leftover barbecue chicken, all I'm going to do is remove the skin, toss that out, and take all the meat off the bones, chop it up. And to be honest with you, while it's cold, it may be easier to do that. It's a little bit messy, my hand's going to go in there, but that's all they're doing is basically getting the meat off the bones, chopping it up into bite-sized pieces, and then we'll rock this. And the trick to a successful stir fry, 1, relatively high heat, and 2, having everything prepped. So I already have my noodles all prepped. I cooked it according to the package instructions. I've got all my vegetables already. I've got that chicken all sorted out, so everything is ready. All my sauces, everything that I'll be using. My pot is on a medium-high heat. I have a stir-fry oil. It's a little bit spicy, about a tablespoon of that. And right away, I'm going in with my onion. I'm going to give that a little mixy mix. We're going to follow that with some garlic. I'm going to scrape that garlic in there. I want a bit of grated ginger. Not too much because everything here is going to be fragrant. Remember, we started off with that stir-fried chili oil there. You don't have to, but it gives it a lovely flavor. You can use vegetable oil if you want. Out of the fridge there, remember I told you we're cleaning up the fridge. I got that bell pepper, and I'm putting in the stuff that's going to take longer to cook first, so it cooks faster. I got that julienne carrot. Give that a little mixy mix. I like it just a little bit more spicy, and I know just the ingredient I want to add in here. And while these peppers are not extremely hot, it's just the right amount of heat I'm going to get from them. So I'm just going to grab 2 of these. It's going to go inside. And any opportunity to use stuff from my garden, yo, I jump on it, man. So in goes those bird's eye or chili peppers. I guess they're not bird's eye. They're a bit more like a long chili pepper, I guess. Now I'm going to toss in my cabbage. Give that another mix. And you know, if you have some green bell pepper, it's all about colors as well too. So the more colors, because remember at the end of the day, it has been determined that we eat with our eyes first. The more attractive something looks, the more we are inclined to like it. That's a fact, ladies and gentlemen. Uncle Christian making that up, eh? Now here's where I like adding my sauce. I got some hoisin and I've got some oyster flavored sauce. I also want a bit of Chinese cooking wine in there. Just a little splash. That there is pure magic. I want some light soy sauce. Nothing too heavy. And you notice I'm not salting this at all because all those ingredients I just added there, they all have that salt element to it. And we've got that leftover barbecue chicken. And that barbecue chicken is going to give it a nice smoky note. And that is the idea why we barbecue for the most part, is to get that smokiness and that caramelization from the grill and everything. I'm going to turn my heat up to high now because I don't want anything going overly soggy. I just want to warm everything through. And we're just 3 minutes away, ladies and gentlemen, from this wicked leftover barbecue chicken noodle stir fry. Yeah? Another quick stir. And here is where we're going to introduce the pre-cooked noodles to the pot. Yeah, it will want to clump together. Small thing, once you start tossing that in the sauce there, everything will come together nicely. I assure you of that. Just mix and break it up basically. It's going to sort of a circular motion, and as soon as the sort of sauce that we created there goes between the noodles, they will start separating. So, and we're almost done here. All you got to do now, here's the thing, it's messy. Maybe it's time Uncle Chris invested in a bigger wok, but it's almost done. I like to finish it off. I'm not the biggest fan of sesame oil. Just a little bit of sesame oil, nothing too extravagant because that is very powerful. And I've got some green onions or scallions there. And that is it. Barbecue chicken noodle stir fry. We use that leftover barbecue chicken here. And it is a best. The kitchen is smelling wicked. Chris here, CaribbeanPot.com. July month of grilling continues. So I'm not only showing you guys how to grill and barbecue and all that stuff like that. I'm showing you what to do when you have that leftover chicken or pork, turkey, whatever it is, yeah? Let's look at that niceness. Ooh, Papa, look at that. Uncle Chris, you're getting on, sir. You're getting on.